Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create video scripts from RSS feeds using AI agent. So I am working as a content manager and I need to create scripts for my content creators regularly with the help of RSS feeds. So I have decided to automate this long process with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. Now every time a new RSS feed is going to be received, automatically my AI agent is going to generate a video script for my content creators with the help of that RSS feed news, and also a document is going to be prepared for the same video script in my Google Docs. To create this amazing automation, I'm not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills. I will be simply integrating all these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how we can automatically create video scripts from new RSS feeds. So as a content manager of an organization, I need to regularly prepare scripts for the content creators for our YouTube channel related to new technologies and updated news. But every time a new feed is updated on RSS website, it is very difficult to extract the details from that website and prepare a script manually. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. Now, every time a new RSS feed is going to be uploaded on the website, automatically a script for the video is going to be created with the help of my AI agent for my content creators. And I have not used any coding and programming knowledge to create this automation. I have simply built a connection between RSS by Pabbly, through which we are going to capture the RSS feeds every time, AI agent, that is our OpenAI, and Google Docs, in which I want to create the documents of the video scripts. And I've built the connection very easily with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now without further wait, let's start learning how to create this amazing automation step by step for our business. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/connect in our browser. Then it is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we can find all the workflows that we have created. And to save the workflows separately and accordingly, we can also create separate folders like this. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this blue button with the name as Create Workflow. Over here, a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let me quickly provide a name over here. Create video scripts from RSS feed using AI agent. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to create currently is related to AI. So I've selected AI automations as the folder. Now let's click on create. As we have done that, the workflow is created successfully. So now we are on a new screen. The new screen contains a blank workflow with two extremely important windows, trigger and action. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here I want that every time I'm going to receive a new RSS feed through RSS by Pabbly, automatically a script should be generated for my content creators for the video that they have going to create. And that video script should be generated with the help of my AI agent. So here I'm going to take RSS by Pabbly in trigger and my AI agent, that is OpenAI, in my action step. When we are going to connect these applications with each other, we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the feed is received through RSS by Pabbly, then only the video script is going to be prepared for that feed, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us start creating this automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, we have to select our trigger application. My trigger application over here, because I want to capture RSS feeds, so I'm going to select RSS by Pabbly, which is going to help us to capture RSS feeds automatically inside Pabbly Connect. Then we have to select the trigger event. So here I'm going to select new item in feed. Whenever a new item will be received in feed, the response will be captured and the workflow is going to trigger. We are going to build the connection between RSS by Pabbly, and we are going to click on this connect button. Here it is asking us feed URL. So by using which RSS feed you want to capture the response of new feeds. So here I am taking the example of NDTV news feeds. Over here we have RSS feed for NDTV. We have multiple options over here such as top stories, India, movies, tech. For any of these feeds we can create the scripts. Currently I am going to create the scripts related to tech. So I am going to open this feed of tech inside NDTV, and here we have the RSS feed URL. So let's simply copy it. I will go back and here we are going to paste it. Okay. In a similar manner, you can take the feeds from any of the RSS websites. Then we have to select the filter type, that is going to be default. I'm going to select over here. Then we are going to click on save and send test request button. Because RSS by Pabbly is based on 1 hour of polling time. So currently when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we are going to receive the last or the latest feed which was uploaded on that same website. Okay, so let's click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, we got the response. Here we have the title for the feed and also we have received the link. By using these details, now we are going to generate the script for the video. Also, you have to keep in mind that because we have 1 hour of polling time inside RSS, so every time a new feed will be uploaded on the website which you have connected with Pabbly Connect, after 1 hour, the response of that feed is going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Now, I'm going to quickly build the connection between my AI agent and Pabbly Connect so that I can generate the video script. So here my AI agent is OpenAI. I'm going to select that. If you're using any other AI application, you can also select that application over here. The action event will be GPT because I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate my content. Let's build the connection. For building the connection, I'm already logged into my OpenAI account, as you can see. You also have to keep in mind to keep login to the applications which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect so that the process of your connection could become simple and easier. Here we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can quickly go with that. To create a new connection, click on add new connection and you need to enter the token. To get the token, just click on this hyperlink. It is going to take you towards API key page of OpenAI platform. Here you're going to click on this create new secret key button. We have the details. So first of all, I'm going to provide, let's say, new feeds, the name of my key, and here we have to select the project in which we want to save the key. I'm going to click on create secret key button and here you can see that the key is ready. Let's copy it. We'll go back and we will quickly paste the key over here. When you will click on save, the connection between your OpenAI account and Pabbly Connect will become successful and then you can move forward. I've already built an existing connection with my OpenAI account, so currently I'm going to go with that. As the connection is built, now let's move forward. Here we have to select the model by using which we want to generate the content. So here I have multiple models. I'm going to select GPT-4o mini. And now let's move forward towards the prompt. Now here we need to provide the command that is very important, that what we actually want our AI agent to do for us. Because I want to generate video scripts by using the RSS feed. So here I need to provide all the details regarding that. Also the RSS feed URL that I have received in my response and the title on which I want to generate the script. So your prompt should be on point, clear and well instructed. It should include all the details that you want to be generated in your content, also the details which you do not want. So here, according to my use case, my prompt is going to be, so here is my prompt: act as a professional YouTube video scripter. Based on the RSS feed article provided below, generate a compelling, engaging and easy to understand video script for a YouTube video titled. Here I'm going to quickly insert the title that I've received from RSS feed and I'm going to directly insert it like this from the previous step to map it and to make it dynamic. The script should include an attention grabbing hook in the beginning, a brief introduction to the topic, a clear structure that summarizes the article in simple language, and a strong call to action at the end. Use a conversational and friendly tone. Avoid repeating the title in the hook. Keep it suitable for 2-3 minutes video. RSS feed content URL over here. I'm going to map the URL directly as I have received it already in my earlier response. Why we are mapping the data like this from the previous step? Because we want to make it dynamic so that automatically it should get replaced with every new response. Because if we will enter it manually, it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Therefore, mapping is very important. Now let's click on save and send test request button. We got the script over here, and as the script is received, I'm going to directly insert the script in my Google Docs so that my team members could access the documents and prepare the videos. Let's click on this add action step button and I'm going to build the connection between Google Docs and Pabbly Connect. So I've selected my action application as Google Docs and here I'm going to create a blank document first of all. I've already built the connection earlier with my Google Docs account, so I'm going to go with that same. Now I'm going to provide the name to my document as video script. And here I'm going to quickly map the title of the script and I'm going to click on save and send test request button. As we have received the response over here, I'm going to take you towards Google Docs. I'm going to refresh my Google Docs account and here you can see that I got a blank document over here. with the same title that I have entered. Because I have mapped the title over here in the document name, it is going to automatically replace every time with every new response. Now by adding another action step, now I'm going to append the paragraph in my Google Docs. The action event will be append a paragraph to document. I will go with an existing connection only. And here we need to provide the document ID. So let's turn the mapping button on, as we need to map the document ID so that it could become static. And the document ID is already received in our earlier response. I'm going to search the ID, and here we have the document ID. Let's map it. Then we are going to map the inserted text, that is the script of the video. And now here I have clicked on save and send test request button, but it is saying warning, document is required. Because I have already mapped the document ID, but it is still showing that the document ID is required. That means there is a technical glitch which we have to rectify. So let's refresh the fields, and here we are going to once again insert the ID from the previous step. Okay, now let's click on save and send test request button. We got the response over here, so I will take you towards my Google Docs account, and here we got the script. So my content creators can easily access the script, they can prepare their videos, and accordingly this automation is going to work continuously. So every time a new feed is going to be uploaded on the RSS feed of NDTV, automatically from the website the details will be captured, the link will be captured of that RSS feed, and automatically a script is going to be prepared with the help of my AI agent for the content creators of our organization, and will be added in a form of document. So in a similar manner, you can also very easily create this amazing automation for your business step by step without any coding and programming skills to automate this entire process. So thank you for watching the video. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.